unit. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bath unit for sale. It is the penthouse. So you have, of course, all the nice new stainless steel, granite kitchen that opens up to the living room on here. You have 2 bedrooms in the back that are the guest bedrooms with a full bathroom on both ends. But the best, of course, is here in the living room. You got the master bedroom over here. I'll take you to this one first, which is very spacious. You have a full bath. And you have 2 hurricane sliding glass doors going out to the balcony. The balcony is huge. It's penthouse top floor, and I'm going to bring you outside to show you the views you get in this space you have on an outdoor living in this condo. Out here, you see the entire stretch of Treasure Island, all the way down to Paso Grill. With the sunsets, it will be breathtaking. The balcony is probably a 300, 400 square foot balcony, which is wonderful. And you can have views all the way into Madeira, which is straight ahead. And we'll walk you this way, showing you how big the balcony is. You have 2 big sitting areas, or lounging areas. And then you can come in here, again, hurricane glass sliding glass doors. And there you have it, folks. 3-bedroom, 3-bath, $739.